Hi, I'm Annika Johnsons from Al Johnson's in Sister Bay. I hope you enjoy my new video series called Door County Girl. These are stories of my life, the people and places that I love, and of course how we all survive here in northern Wisconsin. You can come back as often as you like, but don't forget to subscribe to Al's YouTube channel. I'll be posting lots of really cool new videos. So let's go! Welcome to another episode of Door County Girl, and I'm back with the usual suspect.
Me, Rolf, Annika's brother,
Yep.
her favorite brother, well actually her second favorite brother.
Maybe.
Anyhow.
If you're lucky.
So we have a new recipe today.
Ooh, what is it? What is it?
This is a crazy recipe. I've got pancake mix up, but we're not making pancakes.
What are we making?
Well, you know who you work with every day, Kit.
Kit Butz, he's my favorite boss.
All right, Kit's mother, Gail Butz.
Gail Butz, who I love.
This is the plug into her recipe. During pandemic, she got bored and couldn't get out of the house, and Kit had supplied her with an ample amount of Al Johnson's Swedish pancake mix.
Right, because we're the shippers.
And she decided, I'm going to try something different. And she took the pancake mix, add a little seasoning to it, took some chicken tenders, and she breaded them up and she fried them, and she said they were to die for.
Whoa.
So you're going to find out if they are to die for.
Oh.
Now Kit.
Way to go, Gail.
Kit said that his kids are chicken finger specialists.
No, they're chicken finger snobs.
You said that, not me. They're specialists.
Said that. Yes.
And he said they are also delicious. So.
Yeah, so if
So there's
Kit
two votes right
Butz's
there.
and Gail Butz's grandkids tested, they have to be good.
Well, we're going to find out.
Let's do it.
And we're going to take remember the old shake and bake? So we're going to take a whole bag.
Shake and bake is awesome, by the way.
It is. And you can do it with many things.
The only way to make pork chops is with shake and bake.
Well, you can use any type of breading and put it in a bag. Oh, come now.
Shake and bake.
So we do this at home once in a while. Obviously not with this, but I'll take different ingredients and put them in a bag, and we'll make stuff like this. So I got a tablespoon of MSG-free Lowry seasoning.
Ooh, Mike Till would love those. Mr. MSG free.
He is. Well, he's actually one of the reasons we no longer have MSG at the restaurant. He used to come in and he used to introduce me to
one of our customers.
And he always would say, he says, you can get that MSG or Lowry's without MSG, and finally we did. And everything we have now at the restaurant is MSG free.
So if you have an allergy, you don't have to worry about it.
So we mix that up a little bit. Let's put the plug out of the way. And here we have some chicken tenders. Now we're using organic, farm-raised, no no bacteria stuff in there, whatever.
You put all the chicken in there?
Well, of course we can put it all in there because we're going to shake it around. And
make sure you have a sturdy bag, people. You don't want to be shaking it around.
Yeah, you don't want to grab the old.
Because that's Murphy's Law with me. Every time I do something bad happens. Like the bag pops
Don't use a good quality bag. Don't use your old Piggly Wiggly shopping bag or something like that. With
the bottom that you didn't think was there.
And what's nice about this, it stays kind of nice and neat. Now, after talking to Kit, who discussed it with his mother, who tried a batch of this and enjoyed it as well, he said that he liked to let the chicken rest a bit. So he would take it out and put it on a plate. Now, we don't have the luxury of that time right now, but...
Rest for what?
Well, if you let this sit out a little bit, the moisture would kind of draw in.
To the chicken?
Yeah, and then if you put on another coating back in the bag, you'll get like a little extra zip, a little extra crunch out of it.
Ooh.
So, but again...
I was telling Rolf that it's too bad we can't make our chicken tenders at Al's.
This way. Well, we won't. You'll have to find out if it's true. Too bad you couldn't make them like this.
Yeah.
So we have some oil over here, and this is just sunflower or canola oil. It's a mix, actually. It's the same oil that we use at the restaurant, so no.
I get a little nervous about Rolf handling hot grease, so I brought my favorite pot holder today.
Oh boy.
Because, you know, I am the boss. I'm not bossy, I am the boss.
I would say you're bossy.
I am not bossy, I'm the boss.
When you declare yourself the boss, that's being bossy.
Yeah, because I've got this on. Well. This is from some of my favorite employees. They were the J1 visa students, and when they were leaving, they got me this awesome pot holder. I'm not bossy, I'm the boss. So in case you need to use it.
In case, okay.
Just remember though, I'm the boss.
Remember Dad used to have the sign on his desk that said, rule number 1.
I have that at my house. It's sitting right in front of my mini TV, right in front of my Lazy Boy.
Rule number 1, the boss is always right.
Flip
if the boss
over
is
for,
wrong.
No, flip over for rule number 2.
2, if the boss is wrong, refer to boss rule number 1.
Yep, I have it sitting right on my desk. Because I'm the boss.
So,
Rolf would always tell me when he was little, you're not the boss of me.
and you still aren't the boss of me. Actually, in the shipping department, you're the boss of me. I don't know what goes on in there. You're in charge of that stuff.
Yeah, well, Kit's in charge of that. He's the boss.
You know, come to think of it, Kit is kind of the boss of everything.
Kit does everything. So Gail Butz's son, Kit Butz, is our shipping and our marketing director, and he fixes credit card terminals, he fixes cash registers.
You know what he did today when we were short a cook?
He had to fry pancakes
He came in
today.
and cooked.
I saw him in there in his
And
black.
he's unbelievable.
He's the only one that wears a black
Chef coat?
chef coat.
And yet, well, that establishes him as the hierarchy.
And his shorts with his clogs.
Yep.
And no socks.
Nope, Kit's not a sock wearer.
He's not a sock person.
You know, I was working the shook on Tuesday night. Shook is Swedish for kitchen. And we got swamped.
Oh, yeah, I was there.
Yeah, and who came to save the day besides you?
Yeah, I did.
Kit.
Oh, yeah, Kit came to
Yeah.
Kit was just directing traffic. He was asking us what was going on.
That's all you need sometimes.
Yeah, but that was a disaster.
Actually, it turned out all right.
Yeah, once we got our steady eddies caught up, we were running out of food.
Yeah,
All of a sudden, we started closing at L's, and we had a line,
out to the sidewalk.
and we're like, okay, what's happening?
It was good fun, though.
But you know what happens in Door County sometimes, Mondays and Tuesdays, people are closed. Restaurants are closed because they don't have a lot of staff, so we get slammed.
Well, we felt it,
We
but
sort of get caught with our pants down.
we were well welcomed, though, and the help that we received was well welcome as well.
And we get organized in no time at all, and everything was running smoothly like normal.
So what we'd like
That
to do...
smells really good.
This is my...
If Bryn Busselmeyer was here, our bar manager right now, what would she say that you should squeeze all over that?
Lemon.
Lemon.
Yeah.
You should put a little lemon on that chicken.
Yeah. She has lemon on her French fries.
I know that. She always, every time she sees me eating French fries, she goes, you know, you should squirt a little lemon on those. Everybody makes fun of it, but it's really good.
So I'm going to take one
How
of
long do you have to cook them?
these. I don't know. This is my first time, and all they said is
You need
try
a knife.
this.
Here.
Yeah, go ahead and cut that in half, and you see where we're at.
Here's a sharp
I'm going to
little-
guess about 3.5 minutes each side. That looks done to me. You want to give it a try?
Oh, yeah, it's going to be hot.
No, it's going to be too hot to handle.
I'm going to get a pizza burn, a pizza blister.
Yeah, rip of your mouth.
It's really good.
She's right.
It almost tastes like not tastes like it, but it's got the texture of our perch coating.
Really?
Like that thin.
Maybe we just found out the secret to the Sister Bay bowls.
Maybe. Maybe they sneak down,
Grab some Al
grab her
Johnson's
Al
pancake
Johnson
mix.
pancake mix for their perch, because the bowl's perch is delicious
If you've been
too.
paying attention to the Door County girls, my sister and I both agree that the Door County best perch fry in Door County is going to be the Sister Bay Bowl.
Yeah.
Now, we're not knocking our own or all the other ones that are out there, because there's some fine ones out there. Don't kid yourself. But we're in agreement that if you want really, 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 really good perch, the Sister Bay Bowl is the place to go.
That is. And you know what's funny? They open at 5.
Right.
And when they open the door, there's a line down the street to get in.
Oh, yeah, and they're there for perch.
And they all want the perch fry. They want the special Friday night perch.
And
You
we-
can get a full portion or a mini portion.
And we talked about where they get it, same place we do,
Same.
but they just do a little bit different
Yeah.
than we do. And ours is good, ours is good. It's probably a close second.
So when people ask, we send them.
Yeah, I always want to make people get the good experience at Door County.
Yes.
You got to try all the places.
Well, Gail Butz has got it going on with this recipe.
Yeah, she called it right, I guess.
Yes,
huh?
she did.
Kudos to her.
And you know what's nice about it? Sometimes when people don't want to eat heavy breading on things, this is so light.
And you can see it for yourself what goes into it.
I mean, you can barely see, there's hardly any breading at all. It's awesome. But it's got, you can feel it on your fingers. It's very crunchy.
I think that it'd be wise to give it, Kit's added advice is to let it settle for maybe 10, 15 minutes and then rebread it one more time.
Maybe.
It'd be worth the experiment anyway.
We're really good.
Well,
Crunchy, it's crunchy.
as we finish these other
chicken
tenders up,
I'm kind of a mustard connoisseur.
I was going to say, what else could we serve with these?
Well,
I would think some of Lars's mustard.
Spicy brown, but when I say spicy, it's not spicy like like Grey Poupon going up your nose and your eyes start to water.
It's what we say a Swedish spicy. To a Swede, ketchup is spicy.
Yes.
So don't be scared when it says spicy mustard if it comes from Sweden.
I know at the restaurant when I'm waitressing, people go, oh, spicy mustard. Do you have any mild mustard? I go, trust me, this is mild mustard. It just says spicy. It's delicious. You can buy it at Al's. You can buy it online.
You know, all meats go good with lingonberries.
Lingonberries.
So I think you should give it a try there, too.
Well, you know that I will.
And plus, we get to plug one of our products again.
Well, yes. And I'm going to sneak a spoon here a little.
Oh, there you go.
Yep. I'm making noise. So I'm going to put a little lingonberries on the plate here because they're kind of hot right now. I'm going to wait till they cool off a little bit. And I love our lingonberries. And today somebody was asking me in the warehouse, because I'm working my little troll hole back there, where's the lingonberry concentrate? And I said, well, that's like liquid gold right now. You can't get it.
Yeah. If you can find some, contact us. We'll buy it from you.
Well, these are my employees looking for it to stock on the shelves in the boutique. And I said, absolutely not, because we're stockpiling it like gold for the bar, because the bar makes a lot of our cocktails out of the lingonberry concentrate.
And since the pandemic is slowly subsiding a little bit here, they're back on the shipping, and they're behind schedule. So
well, I'll tell you what,
all our lingonberries come from Sweden. So
yeah, well, I got an email today from Norway.
Right.
And their shipping costs, because they just opened up Norway, is up 300%. And if you don't have your order in right now, you probably won't be getting it, because everybody's just getting their feet back in again. 300% for shipping. That's crazy. So I don't even know if we're going to get our order. It was supposed to come in June, and I'm not quite sure. But we have all kinds of other cool things too.
Well, I think we're coming to another end of Door County Girl. Did you try one of those with the
yes,
lingonberries and
I
the
will.
mustard
This
before you leave here?
This is one of the colder ones over here.
One of the first ones I put out there.
Oh no, that one's boiling hot. I'll take this one. All right. I'll take that little crunchy part. I'm going to put some lingonberries on mine, because I like lingonberries on everything meat.
Another winner.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Chicken dinner, people.
No pun intended.
I'm going to try a little mustard. I probably like the mustard and the lingonberry together.
Delish.
Very, very good. You know what? Gail Butz.
She hit it out of the park.
You hit this ball right out of the park.
All right, so credit goes to her.
Yep. Who'd have ever thought to make this out of...
And you're seeing us do it for the very, very, very first time.
I'm a believer. I am.
So until next time, don't forget to...
like and
subscribe.
Over
Hit the
here
button.
in the corner, and
you can find these products at aljohnsons.com or on Amazon.
And the recipe you can find on aljohnsons.com, but simplest recipe I think we've ever done.
This is easy. Give it a try and be imaginative. Try other things.
And you won't be sorry, because it's delicious. Any topping will do, and all you ranch lovers out there, go for it.
I agree.
Well, thanks for joining us for another episode of Door County Girl. See you next time.
Adios. Hey-do.
Bye. Hey-do. I'm going to have a little more of this stuff, because it's so good. These are hot. I like the lingonberries. I'm double dipping, Rolf.
Yeah, you're the only one eating.
I know. That's why. Thanks for watching Door County Girl. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you next time.